Tired of juggling loyalty cards and searching for the best deal every time you check out? If you're not using FavePay yet, you're missing out on some serious, exclusive perks that will completely change how you save and spend. We're going beyond the basics. Let's dive into the exclusive advantages of making FavePay your go-to payment method. Perk 1. Instant cashback every single time. Forget points that expire or rewards you can only use on specific items. FavePay's biggest draw is the instant cashback. When you pay with the app at any Fave partner, you immediately get a percentage of your bill back as Fave cashback. This isn't a future promise, it's money straight into your Fave account that you can use as a discount on your very next purchase. It's a constant, compounding cycle of savings. Think of it, you're getting rewarded just for doing your regular shopping, dining, and even getting beauty treatments. Perk 2. Stacking Fave's deals and vouchers. This is where the real magic happens. Fave isn't just a payment app, it's a massive marketplace for deals. The exclusive perk? You can often stack your Fave cashback with other Fave vouchers and merchant deals. You can buy a heavily discounted voucher for a meal and then pay the remaining balance with FavePay and earn more cashback. It's a double-dipping strategy for maximum savings that very few other payment platforms offer. You're essentially getting the best price, plus a reward for paying for it. Perk 3. Payment flexibility with interest-free installments. For bigger purchases, FavePay also integrates with Pay Later options, like Pay Later by Fave. This exclusive feature lets you split your bill into interest-free installments, paid automatically over a few months. No paperwork, no hidden fees, just the flexibility to manage your budget better at thousands of your favorite spots. It's a game changer for treating yourself to a spa day or grabbing a new gadget without the sticker shock. So, to recap, instant cashback on every transaction, the power to stack deals and vouchers, and the payment flexibility of installment plans. FavePay isn't just a convenience, it's an exclusive savings tool. If you want to start getting money back every time you spend, hit that link in the description and download the app. Have you had an incredible saving with FavePay? Let me know your best perk in the comments below.